Man, talk about a crazy green day for Tesla stock today, guys. Up another 4.5%. And you all know at this point, Tesla stock has been exploding. In fact, we just hit another all-time high today, guys. So we're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm doing here, some numbers, what analysts are saying. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So like I said, Tesla stock had an almost 4.5% green day today, and this thing has been moving for quite some time. I mean, wait till you guys see some of these bigger time frames here. Unbelievable. So we started off the day at about 420, and we actually got down to 415. So man, if you bought the dip this morning on Tesla, you would have made some good money. From 415 to 435, we were up around 5% from the low to the high intraday. And on the 5-day chart, guys, I mean, this is beautiful. We uptrended all week. We started off at around 390 this week, and again, now we're at about 495, or excuse me, 435. Not 95 yet. Maybe we'll be there soon. Who knows? But on the week, about an 11.5% green day. Yeah, pretty big move for Tesla, guys. And every time frame, I mean, it gets better and better. 30-minute chart. We hit 330 about 10 days ago. Now we're at, 435. We're up $100 a share in the last, 2 weeks at this point, or about 30%. We're up big time. 20-day chart. You guys get the point. I mean, it gets better and better. $300 is where we were middle of November, which is nuts. I mean, geez, that's even after Trump got elected. We were at $300, and now we are up 45% from that point. And to be honest, guys, if we pull up the 4-hour chart, I think Tesla is a little overbought. I'll be honest. I don't think it's time to buy Tesla at this time right now. Maybe it would be, though, if it were to pull down a little bit in the short term. Maybe it consolidated a bit, kind of like what we saw earlier in November, where we got a triangle. You guys see this? I'm pretty sure we actually called this out as well. The ascending triangle on Tesla back in November, early November, that broke out. So, yeah, I mean, actually, that formed all of November, rather. It broke out early December. But, yeah, at this point, I wouldn't buy the stock as a trade, especially. Even as a long term, I think it's a bit frothy at these levels. I'll be honest, guys. But yeah, if it pulled down a little bit, let's say lower 400s, maybe high 300s again, that could be the dip that I'm waiting for. I mean, that is the dip I'm waiting for, to be honest, for a swing trade, not so much a long term, even at that valuation, if it were to go down to $400 per share. But yeah, I'm not saying Tesla's a bad company for a long term. I'm just saying it's a little bit, I mean, it's, guys, it was $138, back in April. Come on, we're up to $430 now. We're up a lot. So, yeah, you got to take it a little easy. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get when you're buying stocks long term, right? So, yeah, patience is key. Let's see if it pulls down. That's kind of what I'm waiting for here. All-time highs are hitting, guys, but it's not going to last forever. We're going to get a point where it sells off a bit. We get some profit taking. They're going to shake the weak hands out in the short term. At least I think that's going to happen. And let me show you some numbers. So you guys remember Tesla got down to, I think, like a $500, $600 billion market cap. Well, guess where it's at now? We are right back to $1.4 trillion. You heard that right. 1.4, and you see it right here. $1 trillion, and the PE ratio now is at 119, which I'll be honest, guys, we've talked about stocks on the channel that have high PEs, like NVIDIA, like this stock, like that stock. And some of them, you can justify the PE, but I don't think Tesla you can right now. And this is another reason, or one reason, why I don't want to buy it as a long-term here, because their sales growth is pretty much it's flat at this point, is it not? Maybe they're growing a little bit. I forget exactly, but for that, for this stock to warrant a 120 PE with basically flat growth for now, I mean, that's pretty insane in my opinion. Let me actually see, though, what they're projecting for the current year. I mean, yeah, revenue-wise, guys, based on 48 analysts, the average estimate is $99.8 billion for revenue this year. And you see the bottom number right here, 96.77. That's what they did last year. So they're only going to grow 3% year over year. So I don't know. I'm not loving that PE ratio. Maybe the forward is a little bit lower. We'll take a look here in a second. But overall, take a look at this. This shows us analysts' recommendations and their price targets. So right now, we're at $436, guys. We're above the highest price target on Wall Street, which is at $421. So yeah, we're at $436 now. We're above that. The average Wall Street price target is $262. The low is $116. Obviously, we're well above those two. And in terms of analyst recommendations, so based on 48, a majority of them have Tesla right now at either a buy or a hold. 16 have it at a hold as of December here based on the 48 analysts on Yahoo Finance. 13 have it as a buy, 8 underperform, and some of them have it as a sell, some strong buy. But for the most part, analysts are thinking it's either a hold or a buy at this point, which, I mean, I don't know. It might have been a buy, a week ago, but like I said, it's up like 30% in the recent last, week or two. So, yeah, I think it's overbought in the short term. That's kind of what I'm getting at here, guys. So let me see the forward PE before I forget. Let's go to statistics. By the way, guys, run that like button up, man. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Oh, my God. Forward PE is higher than the trailing PE. So it's at a 122, the forward PE, which is like, oh, my God. Come on. Are you kidding me? So, yeah, I mean, I think Tesla, honestly, is overvalued right now. 15 price to sales. PEG ratio is about a 12. So, yeah, I mean, there's hype around Elon, Donald Trump winning, the next 4 years, the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, this, that. I mean, there's so much going on. And I think Tesla, the investor base, traders, they got a bit excited, and the stock has gone ballistic, and I think we're due for a cool off. We'll get it. Trust me, guys. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've been in the markets. Obviously, I make videos as well. I do that a bunch here on YouTube. I watch charts all day, stocks. I see this all the time. Tesla will cool off. They will pull down. It's only a matter of time. And we'll see, maybe at that point, if it does pull down, I might pick it up as a swing trade. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe. Time will tell. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to sign up to the email list. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks for free every Monday. That's linked down below in the description box. And you might as well get your free stocks for Moomoo while the deal lasts. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, It's a no-brainer. Check out the link down below or go to stossurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.